In this chapter, we will learn what is algebraic expression. It is an expression which is made up of variable and constants along with algebraic operations. So what are variables? X, Y, Z, these are the variables. What are constant? 3, 4, 5, 2, 7, these are the constant. When they together join, then it makes algebraic expression. Okay, in this example you can see 5x minus 3. Here 5 is the coefficient of variable x and 3 is constant. 5x and 3 both are actually here terms. So here we can see the value 5, x and 3 and one sign is there, subtraction. All together it makes an algebraic expression. Now we will learn what is constant. A fixed quantity that does not change is the constant. Suppose if you take 3, minus 6, 5, pi, 2 by 3, these are actually constant. It never change. Now we will learn variable. What is variable? A variable is a symbol that we assign to an unknown value. It is usually represented by letters such as x, y or t. Variable can be changed according to our choice. In this example you can see x is the variable. If you put the value of x is 2, the overall answer is 10 minus 3 equals to 7. If you put value of x is 3, it becomes 5 into 3 15, 15 minus 3 12. So it totally depends on x. That's why here x is the variable and 5 and 3 is the constant. Now you will start terms, factors and coefficient. Our first topic is terms. A single variable or a constant or a combination of these as a product or quotient forms a term. Suppose you are taking here few example 3ab 21 by 7 etc. Here 3 and ab are the variables, 3 is here constant and a and b are the variables. When we multiply them it makes a term. 21 by 7, 21 by 7 is the quotient, so it is also a term. See the figure here, 3ab plus within bracket minus 5a equals to 3ab minus 5a. Here 3 and ab both are factors. We can separate ab like that, a into b. So a and b also another factor. Here you can see the second term. Second term is here minus 5a. So minus 5a is the combination of two factors. One is minus 5 and another is a. So from here what we can see, the coefficient of a variable is a factor or factors. Now here we will discuss elaborately about coefficient. What is coefficient? The coefficient of a variable is a factor. See here 3ab. The coefficient of AB is here 3. Coefficient of A is here 3B. If you consider B, then coefficient of B is 3A. In the term 5A or minus 5A, you can see here the coefficient of A is here minus 5. So ultimately what we can see, the coefficient is actually factor or factors of the variable. Okay, I think all of you can understand. Now we will discuss here like terms or similar terms. Like terms are the terms which have the same variable. See few example, 7x 3x. Here x is the common variable but 7 and 3 are the different coefficient. This type of values are known as like terms. If the sign is minus, then we can say Yes, they are also like term because 7x, 3x, minus 4x, each and everyone have the common variable, that is x. Now we will discuss the unlike terms. Unlike terms are the terms which have same variables or different variables. If they have same variables, the exponent will not be the same. See a few examples. 9x square and 5xy. Here the variables are different. But if you consider 5xy and minus 4xy square, here the variables are same, but here you can see the power or exponent of y is different in both cases. In first case, exponent is 1. It means in case of 5xy, the exponent is here 1. But in the case of minus 4xy square, the exponent of y is 2. So definitely these two numbers are, or these two terms are dislike or unlike terms because they are not similar, because their exponent are not same. Okay, so this type of terms are known as unlike term. Now we will discuss about monomial. What is monomial? An algebraic expression which consists of one non-zero terms, that is known as monomial. See the example. A is alone a monomial of one variable a. Suppose 5m square n. This one is the also a monomial of two variable m and n. See, in 5m square n there are no sign between them, means no plus or minus sign is there. So we can say this one is the monomial. If single operator is there, then we will say it as a binomial, as there are no sign between the variables, that's why it is a monomial. Now we will discuss about binomial. What is binomial? An algebraic expression which consists of two non-zero terms is called binomial, means it have two terms. See in the example a square plus 2b, it is a binomial of two terms. As there are two terms, that's why we will say it is a binomial. See another example, 5x cube minus 9y square. It is also a binomial of two variable x and y. Why it is binomial? Because between the terms there are one sign, either it may be plus or it may be minus. Because of only one operator, it is known as binomial. Now we will start trinomial. An algebraic expression of three non-zero terms is known as trinomial. See the example, 2a square plus 5a plus 7. Here you can see three terms and two operator. Here you can see plus is using here two times. So when we are going to use the operator twice, then we will say the algebraic expression is trinomial. You can see few other example also, xy plus x plus 2y square. This one is also the trinomial in two variable x and y. Now we will discuss about polynomial. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression which consists of two or more terms is called polynomial. It means that 2a plus 5b, 3xy plus 5x plus 1 and 3y to the power 4 plus 2y cube plus 7y square minus 9y plus 3 by 5 is also a polynomial. Here from these three examples we can conclude that binomial and the trinomial like 3xy plus 5x plus 1, these are the special type of polynomial. So I hope from these three examples it is clear that which type of algebraic expression is known as polynomial.